now mention that next Mr. Prachanda is also going to be here in Delhi for the oath-taking ceremony. Abhishek, my colleague, now joining us, getting us more details. Abhishek, this is something that the Prime Minister has kept as tradition both in 2014 and 2019 as well. Foreign dignitaries bearing witness to his swearing-in ceremony.
Well, and following the tradition, this time also we are going to witness a lot of neighborhood leaders, including Bangladesh, Bhutan, Maldives, Mauritius, and of course Nepal and Sri Lanka. Mauritius, we have seen, has been not having a very good bilateral relationship, and in that context, President Moizu's visit. Now, what we are learning that Nepalese Prime Minister Pushpa Kamal Prachand, the occasion he will be swearing in ceremony, be going back, or he will have a tour India to 7 in 20, and this almost and the dynamics. Whether the bilateral relationship will see those issues also being resolved, that we'll have to see, because Prime Minister is most likely to have bilateral meetings also with all the leaders who are coming to grace the occasion.
Right, so several foreign dignitaries are going to be in attendance for the swearing-in ceremony of the Prime Minister at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Remember, going to be staking claim in government a short while from now at 6 p.m. President Murmu has invited him to the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Political reactions are chief ministers of the ruled states. Members of parliament, both from the Lok Sabha, the newly elected ones, and from the Rajya Sabha of the NDA, were all in one place inside the parliament today, where they picked Narendra Modi as their leader, as the next prime minister of the country. Listen in to some of those reactions.
फिर एक बार तीसरी बार मोदी जी हैट्रिक करेंगे, मैं उनका अभिनंदन करता हूं, मैं उनको बहुत-बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं.
Modi ji, you truly inspired the nation. As Prime Minister of our country, I support Modi ji as the parliamentary party.
2047 तक भारत को विकसित देश और भारत को विकसित देश की ओर हम लोगों को लेकर जो ये प्रस्ताव ये